In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to easily navigate Grammarly's citation generator to help streamline your writing process and ensure your academic work is properly cited. Whether you're a student, researcher, or professional writer, accurate citations are essential to avoid plagiarism and to give due credit to original authors. So let's dive in and explore how you can efficiently use this tool. First, you'll want to open your web browser and head over to Grammarly's citation generator by typing in the URL grammarly.com/citations. Once the page loads, you'll see a clean, user-friendly interface designed to make the citation process as smooth as possible. You'll find this tool particularly useful if you're managing a list of sources for a paper or project and need a reliable way to format them correctly. As you scroll down the page, you'll notice that you have the flexibility to input various pieces of citation information. This can include the author's name, the publication title, the date published, and more, depending on what type of source you have. What's great about Grammarly's citation generator is that it supports different citation styles: APA, MLA, and Chicago. This feature is particularly helpful if you're working across various disciplines or writing for different publications that require specific formatting. The process is very intuitive. Identify the type of source you want to cite, be it a book, journal article, website, or another source. Then enter the necessary details into the input fields provided. The generator does the heavy lifting for you by formatting each entry according to the chosen style guidelines. For those who might find citation styles a bit confusing, this tool can save you considerable time and effort by ensuring each citation is crafted correctly without you having to memorize complex formatting rules. Once you've input all your citation details and chosen the style that fits your requirements, you're essentially done. At this point, the tool displays your citation, ready for you to copy and paste into your bibliography or works cited page. Remember, double-checking your entries is always a good idea, especially if you've manually entered the data. Ensuring accuracy will maintain the credibility and professionalism of your writing. To recap, Grammarly's citation generator makes the citation process incredibly simple and convenient. It's a valuable tool that can help you uphold the integrity of your writing and present your sources in a polished, professional manner. I hope this guide has been helpful. Feel free to explore and make the most out of this efficient tool. Happy writing!